Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will see what is fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by merchant. In short, it is FBA and FBM. So let's begin our session. When seller register on the Amazon marketplace for selling the products, they need to choose the method of selling. Means how they want to ship the item to the customer. Will they use the Amazon logistics system or will they ship item to the customer on its own? This shipping method of selling, seller need to tell Amazon while registering on the marketplace. So there are two terms for this, FBA and FBV. FBM, fulfillment by Amazon, and fulfillment by merchant. So let's look at these services one by one. First one is fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. So if seller has opted for FBA service, then seller can use the fulfillment service of Amazon along with the customer care service. So in this particular service, seller will have to send the item to the Amazon fulfillment center or Amazon receipt center. And from fulfillment center, Amazon will ship the item to the customer using the Amazon logistics system. Also, in this service, if customer has returned, then Amazon will also take care of the return. Amazon will pick the parcel from customer location and send it to the Amazon's fulfillment center. So after all these formalities are performed like quality check and other, if parcel or item is okay, then the refund is initiated to the customer. And one more thing, if seller has opted for this FBA for this service, then seller will also get the customer care service. Means customer can call the customer care service and they will have the customer care will help customer if there is any issue with the order. So this is the advantage of this service. So I have drawn this flow diagram of supply chain to explain it better. Customer has visited the Amazon site, okay, to buy something. So suppose customer has placed an order from particular seller. So after order is placed, Amazon send the details to the seller here and also to the fulfillment center here. Okay, once seller get the details of order, seller need to ship the item to the receive center or to the fulfillment center. So seller can send the item at either of the location, whichever location is close to the seller, they can send the item at that particular location. So either at fulfillment center or at receipt center. If seller is sending the item to the receipt center, the receipt center will send the item to the fulfillment center. So ultimately the item will be arriving at the fulfillment center. So suppose item has arrived at the fulfillment center and then it is stored in the fulfillment center for the delivery. So for the delivery of the item, Amazon logistics system will pick the item from fulfillment center and send the item to the customer. And all these details are updated in the system. If customer is tracking the order, then customer will get the update like where is my order. In fulfillment by Amazon service, the seller will also get the return service. Means if customer has initiated a return, then Amazon logistics system will pick the item from customer location and send the item to the fulfillment. After all the formalities like quality inspection and other are performed, then the refund will be initiated to the customer. Also, this service FBA fulfillment by Amazon is not free. There is some cost for it. Based on the calculation, you can choose whether it is is it beneficial for you to use the FBA, or it is beneficial for you to use your own logistic system? So this is how the FBA works. So in, if we summarize in 2 lines, so in FBA, seller send the item to the fulfillment center, and Amazon will take care the fulfillment of the order. So Amazon will send the order to the customer. That's all. So that is fulfillment by Amazon. Now let's see another service, that is fulfillment by merchant. So in fulfillment by merchant, so the basically the merchant itself or seller itself send the item to the customer. Seller do not take the help of Amazon logistics system. So this is what FBA is. If seller is opted for FBA service, then seller will have to ship the item to the customer on its own, or seller can also choose logistic partner other than Amazon. Like if they are not interested in Amazon logistics system, they can tie up with some other logistic system like FedEx or DHL, UPS, right? E-cart. So if so whichever is suitable for them, they can choose the logistic partner based on the advantage and or benefits. Particular with this service, Amazon will not have a tracking of the order properly. So even if customer is calling the Amazon customer service for the particular order, probably customer care might not help much because they will not have a tracking of this order in the system. And so you might many seller takes the time to send the parcel, or even Amazon system will also don't have the details of these order, where is the customer order, because these are the FBM service. The merchant or seller itself, basically sending the parcel to the customer. So that particular system is not integrated with the Amazon system. Because of the lack of the integration, the Amazon system will not have the updated details about the order. On a diagram for this also to understand it better, here you can see the customer visited the site, placed an order. Amazon will share the details to the seller only. You can see no details sharing with the fulfillment center, and seller will basically take care the fulfillment of that. Seller will send the item to the courier service, or courier service might pick the from seller location, and then courier partner will send the to customer. So this is the Amazon network, right? This is whole is the Amazon network. Seller is not using this particular network, Amazon network. So basically seller using own logistic system or some other party logistic system. So this is what the fulfillment by merchant is. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.